Have you ever sourced mechanical parts via website? Do you recognize how these suppliers accomplish your requirements? OttOP is an ISO 9000 and TS 16949 qualified company. Provides mechanical parts total solutions to you. You don't need to worry about cost-effective solutions, but causing quality issues. OttOP deals with requirements with ultimate quality standards and optimal cost, assisting our customers at the earliest stage and injecting our expertise. Rate your mechanical parts drawings. Let me know what kind of materials you need. Estimate annual usage and related information, then send to us. We will let you know the estimated price and lead time. Moreover, if you have further requirements like mocked-up samples, we provide a very quick action for urgent cases. You don't need to worry about double spending mode charge between different suppliers. Once your project steps into mass production at OttOP, the mode cost can be refundable. This is the way we share the burden for our customers. Remember, OttOP guaranteed to offer you the best price and inject our professional quality. Our project management team makes sure that all process connects perfectly for the ultimate performance. Sourcing mechanical parts? OttOP.